I don't have much time. I've been sent from 2051 to assemble a team.
Sustainable engineers, you are the heroes the world needs. Without you, solving the challenges which threaten our very way of life will be impossible. I've seen the future, and I know there's only one way we can win. Reducing food waste, reversing biodiversity loss. Plastic pollution must be made a thing of the past, and you must find ways to curtail deforestation. What am I looking at?
It looks like a myriad of problems, sir. Without immediate intervention, planet Earth will face a catastrophic rise in air pollution, extreme food and water insecurity, and rampant climate change within the decade.
Every hero has abilities. Your innate curiosity, your ability to develop smart materials, to innovate manufacturing processes, and to harness the Internet of Things. With great power comes great responsibility. This is the fight of our lives. I know you'll do whatever it takes.